United Way Worldwide is helping those who need it most right now as a result of COVID-19. Porsche is donating a big part of its history in order to help in a small way, raising money and awareness. 57 years and 7 generations after we created the original 911 sports car, a special 911 Speedster rolled off the production line, the very last of its kind. RM Sotheby's will auction the Speedster, the final 911 of the 7th generation. The winning bidder will get a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Porsche AG's development center in Weishaupt, Germany, to take a tour with those directly responsible for bringing Porsche sports cars to life. It's an experience money can't buy, but this time, well, we'll make an exception. And every single dollar will go to charity. And if you can't bid, donations of any size to the Relief Fund are always appreciated. More information can be found online